Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of April 2025, our system has identified Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 32.12% since we first designated Palantir as a buy candidate 35 days ago. This corresponds to an average return of 0.92% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a wide and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an advantageous selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $134.08 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 74.73% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 49.62% and 80.20%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 419.81%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 266.94% to 434.17% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $477.06 and $694.48. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Palantir stock price down 2.37% on Wednesday. The Palantir stock price fell by 2.37% on the last day, Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, from $133.17 to $130.01. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.87% from a day low at $125.58 to a day high of $132.95. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.52% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 8 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 96 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $135.27, while the lowest was $21.23. Currently, the price is 3.89%, or $5.26, below the 52-week high of $135.27, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has recently demonstrated impressive stock performance, with shares rising by 5.31% over the past week and an astonishing 74.53% year-to-date. This underscores a dramatic one-year gain of 495%. Despite concerns regarding its forward price-to-earnings ratio of 238.10, strong revenue growth continues to drive investor optimism. In the first quarter of 2025, Palantir reported a 39% increase in year-over-year revenue, with U.S. commercial revenue achieving remarkable growth of 71%. The company's solid footing in federal contracts, particularly with entities such as the Department of Defense and Immigration and Customs Enforcement, accounts for over half of its revenue. This reliance is complemented by significant commercial growth as the artificial intelligence platform rapidly gains traction across various industries, enhancing revenue predictability. Looking ahead, analysts anticipate 36% revenue growth, alongside free cash flow projections between $1.6 billion and $1.8 billion. Despite some bearish sentiment indicated by hold ratings from several analysts, key contracts and partnerships enhance investor confidence, especially amid increasing demand for AI capabilities. Palantir's robust commercial expansion and government work position it well within the booming AI market, which is expected to reach $1.811 trillion by the year 2030. The company's strategic focus on both government and commercial sectors helps mitigate risks and fosters enduring growth potential. Overall, while valuation may weigh on short-term performance, Palantir's strong foundational growth and operational expansion present a promising trajectory, setting the stage for a favorable long-term outlook in the evolving AI landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Citigroup also gave PLTR a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On that date, Loop Capital Markets rated PLTR as a buy while also recommending a hold. Moving to Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, UBS also rated PLTR as neutral with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 3, 2025, and so far it has fallen 2.37%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on declining prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. The Palantir stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $128.07 and $117.40. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 51 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 40 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 40 days ago. A long-term moving average, buy signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 240 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $128.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.37 between its high and low, which translates to 5.87%. Throughout the past week, it has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.15%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $130.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $128.10. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Buckley Jeffrey, who bought and sold 1,776 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades shows that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 18.801. In total, insiders purchased 6,846,426 shares and sold 10,197,694 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $124.94, which represents a decrease of 3.9%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we anticipate that Palantir will open lower by approximately 497 of a dollar, starting trading at $129.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.